Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today we're making peanut butter chocolate chip cookie bars. These are keto. They have 4.4 net carbs per bar, and it makes 12 bars. You want to start off by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. You also want to grease an 8-inch square baking pan. I'm just using my square cast iron skillet from Lodge. This is very easy to make. You just gather your ingredients, put them in the mixing bowl, and mix them together. So we're going to have 1 cup of all natural peanut butter. You want to make sure there's not sugar added and all that stuff. Make sure it's keto friendly. And I always like crunchy peanut butter, but you can use crunchy or smooth. You want 2 large eggs. I think these are medium eggs, but when you buy them at the grocery store these days, they say large. But I tend to disagree that they are actually large, but we're going with it. You want a 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. You can get Lily's. There was a new brand I saw the other day at Walmart called Bake Believe. They also have a lot of different flavors on Chalk Zero. I'll put that website in the video description. A 1/2 cup of granular sugar substitute. It's got to be granular for it to turn out right. This is allulose. One teaspoon of baking powder. And then in this little measuring cup, I have 5 drops of liquid stevia and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now all you're going to do is take this and mix it together. And I'll be honest with y'all, I thought this was missing flour, because like, don't they want almond or coconut flour or something? Because cookie bars you would think would have some sort of flour, but this doesn't call for flour. Just mix it together really good. I'm just using a wooden spoon. Smells good. Okay, get your 8-inch square baking pan. This might be more than 8 inches. It's 8 inches. I've never really measured this square baking skillet before. Let me zoom out a little so you can see the whole thing. Oh, advertising my sufficiency over there. It actually comes up like a cookie dough, even without the flour. Make sure you greased your baking dish or baking pan or whatever you're using. I have a square Pyrex I should have used for this, but all my cast irons over there handy. I just grab it out of the cabinet real quick, and that's what I always end up cooking with. This has been sprayed with avocado oil, but you can use any kind of keto-friendly oil you want to grease it, or you can use butter. Trying to even this out a little bit. There we go. Okay, it says to stick this in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes until the edges are brown and the center is set. And you want to watch it closely because it can overbake. So it says begin checking at 14 minutes because the cookie can burn easily. I'm going to start checking it probably at 12 minutes because my oven cooks a little quicker than most ovens. But I'll check it at 12 minutes and then I'll keep checking it every minute or so after that. Okay, y'all, this smells really good. It says to let it cool and it'll firm up as it cools. Let me take it off my stand and show y'all. See, it's browned around the edges. So we'll come back in a little bit, probably have some after dinner. See what it tastes like.
Okay, it had a good texture, 2 thumbs up and drool worthy. And it tasted good. The peanut butter kind of consisted of most of the flavor. The chocolate you couldn't taste very much, but it was still very good. I liked it.
It kind of tastes like a peanut butter cookie, but it's really soft. I don't know. I think I like regular chocolate chips better because I like just the chocolate. I'm not a big peanut butter pastry fan.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Well, there you have it. Peanut butter chocolate chip cookie bars. Another drool-worthy human treat for those on low-carb, keto, or diabetic diets. Don't forget to check out my giveaway video for a chance to win some Lodge cast iron. There is only a few days left to enter. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a very blessed Thanksgiving.